Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? It's me, your mathematics teacher. Our today's objective is learning of adjacent angles, complementary and supplementary angles. Let's have definition of adjacent angles first. Two angles are adjacent when they have a common side and common vertex. So now what is the meaning of common side and a common vertex? Let's see this through an example. Let's take two angles. One angle 23 degree. One more angle with this, with red line and shown with red. It's 40 degree. Now see, these two are the angles. These two, they are sharing a common vertex because their origin is same. Look, this is their vertex. So they are sharing this common vertex. Next, common side. Which is the common side? After common vertex, which is the common side to be adjacent? Let's see this common side with another color. Yes, this yellow line. This yellow line is basically the common side of 23 and 40 degree. So 23 and 40 degree are adjacent angles because they are sharing a common vertex and a common side, as you can see with the yellow color common side and vertex with orange color. Now let's move towards examples to learn about more adjacent angles, complementary and supplementary angle. Let's take an example ABC. An angle ABC. One more angle, angle DBA. So angle ABC, so I am drawing a line with angle ABC because angle DBA, B is the vertex there, and in angle ABC, B is the vertex in angle ABC. Let's take measure of angle DBA. M stands for measure, and this sign which looks like in junior classes you have learned the less than sign. But over here when we are learning about angles, it shows angle. So measure of angle DBA is equal to 40 degree and measure of angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. Now these are just make arrows to show rays because angle is between two rays. So it's very important to draw arrows. This 40 degree and this 50 degree, they are adjacent angles. As we have discussed just few seconds before, that adjacent angles are those which share a common vertex and a common side. So angle ABC and angle DBA, they have same vertex B and a common side BA. Measure of angle DBC. What is the measure of angle DBC? Look, the full angle. So when you use protractor to measure this angle, 50 degree, then 40 degree, your protractor is going to show 90 degree. So measure of angle DBC. How much is this? Yes, this is 90 degree. If you add 40 degree and 50 degree, you'll also get 90 degree. If you measure it with protractor, you'll also get 90 degree. And 90 degree is also called right angle. As we have discussed about the angles, measure of DBA 40 degree and measure of ABC 50 degree, that they are adjacent angles, and if we add them together, so they make 90 degree. So angle DBA and angle ABC are complementary angles. If you remember the previous video, we have discussed about the complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if they add up to 90 degree. So measure of angle DBA and measure of angle ABC are complementary angles, because when we add them together, they give us 90 degree, and they are also adjacent angles. So here are the two things, complementary angles and adjacent angles. Now you can notice one more thing, that angle DBC, this is 90 degree. So for 90 degree there is another word used in mathematics, perpendicular. So DB is perpendicular to BC, and in mathematics perpendicular also shown with a symbol, just like angle is shown with a symbol. This BD is perpendicular to BC. So this turn T is also also shows perpendicular word. So BD is perpendicular to BC, because we are making 90 degree angle altogether. DBC, this is 90 degree angle. So these rays are perpendicular to each other. Either BC is perpendicular to DB or DB is perpendicular to BC. Let's have another example now. Let's take some letters, give name to the angle, because it's very important, the name of the angle. If we discuss about the adjacent angles or its complementary and supplementary angles, so names should be there. Angle XYZ, 60 degree. Another angle, we can give names, and arrows should be properly drawn, because rays are shown with arrows. Angle MNO, and is the vertex MNO, 120 degree. 60 degree, 120 degree. So what is the measure of angle MNO and measure of angle XYZ? If we add them together, 60 degree plus 120 degree, what we are going to get? Yes, it's 180 degree. What comes in your mind when you see 180 degree? Some says, yeah, in another video we have discussed about this, when the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, those angles are called supplementary angles. So since measure of angle XYZ and measure of angle MNO, their sum is 180 degree, so they are called supplementary angles. So we can say 60 degree supplementary angle of 120 degree, or we can say 120 degree is supplementary angle of 60 degree. Did you notice one thing here? They are not adjacent to each other because they don't have common vertex. Now let's move towards another example. ABC, an angle ABC. One more line, we are making an adjacent angle to it. ABD. Angle ABC we can take as 50 degree, and angle ABD we can take as 130 degree. What is their sum? 50 degree plus 130 degree. Angle DBA and angle ABC, if we add them together, we can get 180 degree. So these are called supplementary angles. But one more thing here, 50 degree and 130 degree are also adjacent angles. Angle XYZ and angle MNO, they were not adjacent because they were not sharing a common vertex. They did not have common side. But these two angles are, angle ABC and angle DBA, are called supplementary angles and adjacent angles. Angle DBC, when they make 180 degree, so this is also called straight angle. As we all know that 180 degree is called straight angle. So what we have learned today? We have learned about adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they share common vertex and common side. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. And we have learned one more term, perpendicular word here. Hope you understand the concept of adjacent angles, supplementary angles and complementary angles. And inshallah you'll be able to solve exercise 7b relevant questions. Best of luck and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.